Hey everyone, I just want to make this video. I've been meditating for a while and I just got a flash that I had to make this video about myself and my journey with self-hate. I used to bleach my skin, and what I'm going to do is link a video in the description to a video of me 2 years ago of my skin being lighter. You will see, compared to my complexion now, in that video I was a lot lighter. I used to bleach my skin. And I used to relax my hair so I could fit in more with white people, so I could fit in with black people who used to think, because of what the media and society and what they perceive to be more beautiful, that we all had to be a lighter complexion. And as a result of that, I bleached my skin. And I relaxed my hair. I even tried to make it look like white hair. Yeah, it's a bit mad, right? And this was in university and after university. So from the age of 18 to about 27, I was bleaching my skin. And I just hated myself. I just hated being black. I used to just hate being black because of the perceived disadvantage I saw myself at. I didn't think I could ever be as successful as a white person being this color. It's kind of mad. Now I'm just reflecting on it more due to what's gone on with George Floyd and his death. It's made me actually come to terms with it all. I used to bleach my skin. That is mad. It's not mad because I know why. I know exactly why. And this is the issue. This is what we are fighting against. We are fighting against feeling bad about being black, feeling disadvantaged in society because we're black, feeling like we're not worthy, feeling like we don't deserve, feeling like we always have to say please sir, yes sir. We always have to feel grateful to get stuff, the basics, because we're black, and that's what black people get, the basics. You're not supposed to aim high, you're not supposed to achieve. That's the feeling I got growing up for a lot of years. That's just a bit about me.